Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay with multiple cards. So let's jump into it. First, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Now tap My Watch and then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. If you have cards on your other Apple devices or cards you recently removed, tap Add next to the card you want to add and enter the card's CVV. For any other cards, tap Add Card and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's how you can use Apple Pay with multiple cards. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.